Okay, change the name hello world to club and import club instead of hello world. Import club from dot forward slash components forward slash club. Okay, and here is the name of this app. This is app and we want to use club instead of hello world. Okay, we don't need this image as well. Okay, club. And one more thing, let me show you. Go to extension. From here I just installed a extension for Vue.js, that is Vueter, and another one is Vue. You can use any of them, you don't need to install both. Okay, if you use any of them you can easily prettify the code just by pressing Ctrl Shift I, reformatting your code. Okay, now let's go to club. We don't want anything inside this template, we just need a blank template. And actually let's get rid of everything. Let me write everything from scratch so you can understand better. Template. Okay, this template is for Vue. In Vue.js you have three options. For writing HTML you have template, for writing JavaScript you have script, and this is by default giving for this extension. Okay, don't worry, I'll explain everything. And you have another option of style. Okay, so let's use this template here. What you need to do is dot club. Let's try it out. You see the club is showing up here. Okay, and one more thing, for now I don't want this style as well.